Let me be direct with you. Most people trying to become Airbnb co-hosts are doing everything right, but they are pitching completely the wrong way. That's why they send messages, get ignored, or worse, get rejected without even a reply. Meanwhile, others are quietly managing multiple properties they do not own and getting paid consistently. The difference isn't luck, it's strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact way to structure a co-hosting pitch that actually gets property owners to trust you, respond to you, and hand over their listings. If you've ever wondered, how do I convince an Airbnb owner to trust me with their Airbnb? What do I say that makes them take me seriously? Why are people ignoring my co-host messages? Then stay with me because this is where most people get it wrong. And I'm breaking this down from real experience hosts working in Airbnb co-hosting, property management, and client communication systems. Here's the truth. Property owners are not looking for a co-host. They are looking for someone who can solve problems, someone who can protect their property, someone who can increase their revenue, and someone who can reduce their stress. What do most beginners do? They send messages like, "Hi, I'm a co host. I can help manage your Airbnb." That sounds generic and forgettable. It gives the owner no reason to trust you over anyone else. So instead of pitching yourself, you need to position yourself as a solution provider. Your first message should not be about you, it should show that you understand their business. For example, instead of "I'm a co host, I manage properties," say something like, "I came across your listing and noticed some opportunities that could improve your bookings and guest experience. I specialize in optimizing listings and managing operations so that owners can increase occupancy without stress." Notice the difference. You are not begging, you are not generic. You are demonstrating awareness and expertise. This shifts the conversation to "Who are you to tell me more?" Trust is the currency in co-hosting, and trust comes from specific details, not big claims. When pitching, you should mention their property type and reference potential improvements. Show understanding of guest behavior. Highlight outcomes, not just tasks. Example, based on the photos and description, I can see opportunity to increase visibility on search results. Refine the pricing strategy and enhance guest communication to reduce negative reviews. This tells the owner you've actually reviewed their property, you understand Airbnb operations, you are not mass messaging people blindly. That alone sets you apart from 90% of applicants. Owners are cautious. They are thinking, will this person damage my property? Will they communicate well with guests? Can they actually deliver results? So instead of pushing hard for commitment, reduce their risk perception. You can say, "I typically start with a short evaluation period. I help optimize the listing and manage communication so you can assess performance before making any long term decision." This makes you sound professional, flexible, confidence backed, low risk to try. And that's exactly what owners want. Now, here's where most people mess up again. They pitch once and stop. But strategic co-hosting is all about follow-up systems. A single message is rarely enough. You should follow up after a few days, add new insights or suggestions. Keep the conversation value-driven, not desperate. Example of follow-ups: I revisited your listing and noticed a few more improvements that could help attract high-quality guests and improve conversion rates. Happy to share if you are open to it. This keeps you relevant without sounding pushy. If you are serious about becoming a co host and actually want a step by step system that helps you pitch property owners effectively, structure your messages professionally, handle clients confidently, and start managing properties successfully, I've put everything together in my ebook, Airbnb Co-hosting Made Simple. Is designed to walk you through the exact process from getting your first clients to managing multiple properties. If you're interested in becoming a co-host, click the link in the description or pinned comment to download the ebook and get started. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification because I'll be sharing more strategies to help you grow in the Airbnb co-hosting space.